Okay, good afternoon. So, as usual, I have a couple of issues. One of them's the pronunciation, the microphone picking it up, which is proving somewhat problematic. So, the LED is the RGB LED is on there. So, the code. Now, let me just get you the code is quite complicated and convoluted because I've got to, if the command is read or command is read, so it picks up my pronunciation of read as read. Blue is an absolute nightmare. Blue can be blue, Hulu, and below, depending on how frustrated I am with it. And then we've got the brightnesses again with low or low. There is a high or high. From that point of view, I don't think that really matters to that degree because high and is from a user point of view, high as in the height or high as in hello is there's nothing in it. So it depends on what part of the country or what part of the world you come from, whether you're going to get anywhere with that. And then the clean up. So now when I run this, you will see the problems, and I think we're going to have these problems on most of these projects where you talk to it. So there needs to be some sort of filtering, maybe, or catch-all, and I'm not too sure. So let me just bob out. So I'm going to run the program. Do I need to move my keyboard right there so I can rest my arms? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to run the program, and you'll see down here the commands, and obviously the board is here. So let me run the program.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Green.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Medium.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Green.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Off.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Now I might have to put in here with
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
High.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Low.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Low.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Green.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Off.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Green.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
High.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Green.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Green.
Color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Off.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
On.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Blue.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Red.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Red.
Which color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Off.
Color would you like, red, green, or blue?
Blue.
LED brightness off, low, medium, high, or on?
Quit.
Program has ended.
So that's the issues. It's not picking up my pronunciation of well most of the colours. When it works, it works. But I feel that it's problematic. Definitely problematic. It's took me a few days to get it to this stage. But I'm not so sure on what to go next. Now, I think we need a hold section here, I think, until it recognises a colour before it moves on. So if you say red and it doesn't understand it, then it needs to go back round and ask again until it understands what colour you said, then moves on. So that's another if statement in there, I think. But I'm not... I'll play around with it a little bit more. But it's... I think it's definitely going to be problematic. Especially with my pronunciations. And I think I read somewhere in the paper documentation of the different languages. I've got it set to US, but there is a UK one, which is fine. And there's also what did I put it down as? Northern Male, Northern Male, something else. And I thought, well, yeah, there we go. I am in the north of England, so I am a Northern Male, but Yeah, it's got a couple of issues, and I think we need to, or I need to work on how we're going to get around this issue. But if anyone's got any comments or tips, I'd greatly be appreciated, because I'm hitting the books and I'm doing research, and my head was spinning yesterday. But late last night we had a bit of a breakthrough, so this is where we're at. And let's hope we can keep moving forward. Thanks for watching. Just before I go, I've got Fred here, this one. This is a Raspberry Pi 5. I was thinking about using this, but the operating system is a locked operating system on this one. And I've got another one over there that I've built. I built it for a different project, but at the minute I'll just keep it where it's at, and we'll go from there. But I've got projects, different projects on the go. I'm just not at the position of fully understanding the programming language how to go about and do these things. So it's an ongoing process. Thanks for watching.